Hello, lovely creative beings and all other beings as well. Hey, today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Do you know what? Maybe I have told it once before. When you do that, you cannot be in a bad mood. So try it. Maybe you try it in the morning when you wake up and say that. I love it. I do it every morning. After yoga session, at the end of our yoga session, we do that every morning. And every morning I experience that what I have said. It's not possible to be depressed when you have your arms up. Try it out. So our life is such a big gift from nature. And you can absolutely have full faith in you, because you are a jewel. Everything what you are doing is good. When you affirmate that, then your self-confidence increases. See, every problem in our life is only related to our physical body. It is wonderful that we have a physical body. It is great because through this wonderful body we can also develop our natural spirituality, so that one day we are coming home again. Coming home again means from where we all have come from. Soul painting is a little medium for being very easily in the present. And when we are in the present, there lies faith. There lies self-confidence. Because the existence itself has made all of us unique. And its interest is that we all can reach our home. So, my dearest friend, just try a little bit of painting each and every day. If you want to stay easily in the present, also if you meditate, then it's the best. Because then easily you can reach the present time, the present moment. I wish you all a very, very wonderful day. Bye bye.